Hi, my name is Christopher, and today I'm going to talk about two important topics related to the travel industry. First, I'll explain a computer glitch that happened because of CrowdStrike and how it affected airlines and passengers. Then I'll discuss other technology threats to travel and what governments and companies can do to fix these problems. So let's start with the CrowdStrike glitch. In 2023, there was a big computer glitch that involved CrowdStrike, a company that focuses on cybersecurity. CrowdStrike usually helps businesses protect their data and systems, but during a software update to their Falcon platform, something went wrong. The update messed with the reservation system of several airlines, which are used to handle passenger bookings, flight schedules, and ticketing. And because of this glitch, many airlines experienced system failures, leading to delays and flight cancellations. Passengers were stuck waiting for hours in airports, not knowing when they would be able to fly. And this was very frustrating for them, and it caused airlines to lose a lot of money, and it also damaged the trust passengers had in these airlines. And for passengers, it meant missing important events or business meetings. And for airlines, it was a reminder of how fragile technology can be. And even though the glitch was eventually fixed, this incident showed that even a small technical problem can have a huge impact on the travel industry. Other technology threats to travel. So the glitch caused by CrowdStrike is just one example of how technology can cause problems in the travel industry. There are other big threats that we need to think about. One of the biggest threats is cyber attacks. Airlines, airports, and booking websites collect and store a lot of personal information like credit card numbers and passport details, and hackers might try to steal this information and use it for fraud or identity theft, which can cause serious harm to both travelers and companies. Another threat is technical failures. And as more systems are connected, one small failure can lead to a big disaster. For example, a server crash or a bug in the software can cause airlines to cancel flights, delay passengers, or lose important data. Technology makes travel easier, but when it breaks down, the consequences can be huge. Artificial intelligence is becoming more common in travel industry, but it also has risks. AI is used for things like scheduling flights or answering customer questions. However, if AI systems fail or are not managed properly, they could make mistakes like booking errors or scheduling conflicts. And also, like other systems, AI can be hacked or misused, which would create even more problems. Lastly, drones and unmanned aerial vehicles are a growing threat. Sometimes drones fly too close to airports, and this can force flights to be delayed or even canceled. If a drone collides with an airplane, the results could be very dangerous. Now, what should governments and companies do? To deal with these threats, both governments and companies need to take action. First, stronger cybersecurity is necessary. Airlines should invest in better security systems to protect passenger data. And governments should make rules that force companies to follow strict security standards. Regular checks and updates are needed to keep the system safe. Second, companies should have a backup system in place. And these backup will help them quickly recover from technical failures. They need to test these backup systems often to make sure that they work when they're needed. Third, sharing information is important. Governments and companies should work together to share information about potential threats like cybersecurity risks or drone incidents. And this will help them act faster when something goes wrong. Finally, raising public awareness is also key. Travelers need to understand the risks and take steps to protect themselves, such as using strong passwords and being careful with their personal information online. So, to wrap up, technology has made traveling easier and more efficient, but it also comes with serious risks. The CrowdStrike glitch showed us how dependent we are on these systems, and the travel industry faces even more dangers from cyber attacks, AI problems, and drones. Governments and companies must therefore work together to make travel safer and more reliable. Thank you for listening.